Talking about ginger. This herbal plant is not only a spice that functions as a cooking spice and body warmer. In fact, consuming this spice regularly can provide health benefits for the body. This herbal plant with the Latin name Zingiber officinale is in the same family as galangal, turmeric, and galangal. 1. Anti-aging and anti-cancer. These benefits of ginger occur thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidative properties, which work by controlling the aging process. Apart from that, there are also antimicrobial substances that can help overcome dangerous health problems, such as cancer. However, further studies are still needed to prove the benefits of this spice as an alternative medicine for treating cancer. So, you should still carry out examinations and get medical treatment for this problem. 2. Ginger relieves pain during menstruation. Regularly consuming ginger boiled water turns out to be effective in helping reduce pain during menstruation. In fact, the efficacy of this herbal plant is not much different from ibuprofen and mefenamic acid. A study in BMC complementary medicine and therapy states that the way ginger works in treating pain during menstruation is by inhibiting the cyclooxygenase and lipoxygenase pathways in the synthesis of prostaglandins and leukotrienes. In addition, the anti-inflammatory properties contained in herbal plants are related to inhibiting prostaglandin synthesis. This process is the mechanism for ginger's effect in relieving menstrual pain in women. 3. Relieves morning sickness. A study in the Royal College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists stated that ginger spice also offers benefits for relieving symptoms of morning sickness in early pregnancy. You can get this benefit by consuming extracts from plant roots. 4. Strengthens the immune system. The benefits of ginger for strengthening the immune system occur thanks to the vitamin C and magnesium content. These two ingredients work by helping strengthen the body's immune system. Apart from that, ginger also contains zingerin, shogaol, and gingerol, which function as antioxidants. A study in the International Journal of Preventive Medicine states that in ancient cultures, ginger was useful for improving the immune system. The compounds in this spice effectively inhibit the biosynthesis of prostaglandins and leukotrienes. It works by suppressing 5-lipoxygenase or prostaglandin synthetase. 5. Ward off bacterial and viral infections. Other benefits of ginger include helping the body ward off certain bacterial and viral infections. This benefit is thanks to the gingerol content, which works by inhibiting bacterial infections, such as Shigella, E. coli, and others. Not only that, the benefits of ginger as a herbal ingredient can also prevent DNA damage and stress. Regular consumption can also help overcome colds and flu.